In this video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade iPadOS 26 to 18. So this is the same as downgrading from your iOS version and iPadOS. So it's actually a new system that's been created. And if you want to downgrade back to 18, what you can do is according to this, you can head over and see how it looks like. So for example, Reddit has a lot of alt left users, and you can see how people are really unsatisfied with this. So, what you can do instead is you can head over to your actual iPad and then make sure that you have a backup. So, you can do and create a factory reset, and this will downgrade it back to the iOS or iPad OS 16 onwards, depending on the model of your iPad. So with this, you can get the downgraded experience and then just upgrade until you reach the 18 or iPad OS 18 that you need. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.